So hi everyone. I am not able to see your comment right now, but I will read them after. Hopefully you already know Flutter because this is just the new feature with the Flutter 2.2, and I hope you can hear well what I say. So with Flutter 2.2, there's a couple of new feature, and we will talk about the three most important. I think it is. So let's jump straight into it. The last one, the third, is null safety is now by default with Flutter 2.2. So every time you will create a new Flutter project, right now with Flutter 2.2, null safety will be by default, which is cool because now every package will be with null safety, and it's just start everything faster with null safety, which is cool. So when you run a default Flutter create, you will see that in your Flutter project that you have, I'm not sure if you can see my mouse, but you have in the middle, you can see key and the interrogation point, the question mark. So this, you can see that the null safety is there. So this was the third point, which is very cool with Flutter 2.2, is the null safety. Number two, it will be the payments and monetization. There's a couple of things with this that Flutter has updated with the Flutter 2.2. First thing is the GMA SDK, so the Google Mobile Ad SDK for Flutter. It is now with null safety. And also they have added the adaptive banner. Google Mobile Ads is only a way to put your ads inside your application, if you didn't know. So every time you scroll in your app, you can see some banner with ads, and you can put ads to make money with your apps. It's a simple concept. Okay, so the Google Mobile SDK is just to put ads inside your apps, which is very cool. Next, the Pay plugin is now available with Flutter. So the Pay plugin is to add the Google Pay and the Apple Pay inside your application. So you can see it look pretty much like this. So you have two ways of paying inside an application, Apple or Google apps. It is the in-app purchase, or if you want to buy physical things, you can use, by example, Square, or you could use Google Pay and Apple Pay. So this is the Pay plugin with the Google Pay and the Apple Pay. And also, this is the new one, the new how is it that plugin that they just released with Flutter 2.2. And then the in-app purchase plugin. So this one is if you want to buy virtual things inside your application, you need to use the in-app purchase. And Google and Apple will take like 30%. So this is now in production now, which is very cool. So that was it for the payment and monetization. Now for the number one that I think is very cool is the material U will be soon supported by Flutter. So what is the material U? It is the new Android 12 UI. So you can see right there is just a little picture that I take. I'm sure everyone have already seen the material U or the Android 12 on YouTube or something. There was a lot of talk about it, but Flutter will soon support the material U from Android, which is cool. I have also a little bonus one for you. It is the Flutter Flow. I'm not sure if you know what is Flutter Flow, but they talk about it inside the Google I/O extended, Google I/O, and it was very cool. So let me show you a little bit what it is. I will escape and I will go on Flutter Flow. You have like flutterflow.io, and what you can do is you can create apps without coding, kind of. So you can see I have my app, my screen, and then I can just like drag and drop an app bar. So let me know in the comments if you know about this Flutter Flow, because it's very nice, I think. You can just drop the app bar. Here we go. You have your app bar. Then you want the floating action button, drop it there. You want, I don't know, a drawer. you drop it there. It's so easy to use. You can add some text, by example. We will add it there. Like this, by example, hello world. And then you can just change the text. Flutter or something. It's very cool. It's the beginning of something. In the future, I don't think we will code that much. We will code to create those kind of things, but we'll be able to create maybe Flutter apps just with drag and drop UI and things like this, which is very cool. So this was the bonus one. I think we are close to 10 minutes right now if you want to answer some question or